everyone. Thank you for your time given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Victor Nende. You can call me Faris. I come from Malfai and I'm staying Malnuza. I want to explain about my family tree. My grandmother from Mother Maria Bunga. My grandfather from Mother Nicholas Nende. And my grandmother from Father Maria Benedicta Maza. And my grandfather from Father Nicholas Dai. I have 7 siblings. First child Ilan Bunga, second child Chico Sai, third child Estin Maza, and I am Victor Nende. Sixth child Yonoi, first child Efres Meno, seventh child or last child Sylvan Kembo. So everyone, this is my family tree. All from, thank you.